WG Locksmiths team presents the case study series, Gatelock installation. The customer has requested a security upgrade for the garden gate. We performed the investigation and advised that the best solution would be to replace the padlock system with the cylinder-operated gate lock. This recommendation will ensure both general security and the ease of use. Cylinder-operated gate lock has got normal keys for the convenience of carriage. Our engineer has performed the installation. Here is how the gate lock operates. Before and after. Thank you for watching. Please share the video.